follow along as I active release technique on my best friend. She had some pain going up the side of her neck, as well as some numbness and like tingling going down her arm. So we're going to use active release technique to try and loosen up those tissues before we get into oil massage and warm things up. So she's looking over her shoulder as I apply downward pressure where rhomboid major, rhomboid minor, and levator scap attach to the scapula. And moving her head here is moving that point at levator scap. And then I'm going to have her put a neutral head position, apply a little bit more downward pressure. I've gone a little bit further down her back here, and she's going to look down and towards her armpit. Again, targeting levator scap here at this point. And that's going to help the pain that's going up her neck and to the base of her head. Really nice way to start loosening up that tissue again before we get into the oil massage or start using cups or anything like that. And you'll notice I am on the table, and that just helps me get better leverage for the downward pressure so I can use my body weight as well, which is really helpful. She's looking straight down into the corner. Again, I've moved my arms. We're targeting a little bit more of that rhomboid minor. And here we're going to move the shoulder back a little bit to move that scapula around. And a little further down the scapula, more at those rhomboid points. All three of those muscles connect there, so it's just a really congestive spot. And she's going to reach back here, and we're targeting those rhomboids at this point to hopefully help with the symptoms that are going down her arm and give her some additional relief and really start to break up those knots before I start the oil massage again, and to warm up the tissue as well. She's winged that scapula and is now turning her head, and we're really targeting kind of all three of those muscles with that downward pressure at this point.
Rock your head back and forth a couple times.
Thanks so much for following along, and I will see you guys next time.